Hi, I'm Sumitra. Welcome to my YouTube channel, My Garden Secrets. In today's episode, I'm touching a very exciting project. It's about 5 layer gardening and it is really very beneficial. आज के एपिसोड में मैं ये दिखा रही हूँ कि किस तरह 5 डिफरेंट लेयर्स में, हर तरह तरह के लेयर्स में एक सब्जियाँ या फल किस तरह उगा सकते हैं. So in this unique method, I have taken only one tub and but with very different kinds of plants. There is a fruit and there are vegetables and herbs. All are growing in just one tub at it, and they will benefit me at different times. So I can harvest. For example, I have taken a papaya, which is going to be the tallest tree and the biggest in this group. And the second one is I have taken a chili. Then third is potatoes, which are under the soil, and on top of potatoes will come all the herbs like I have taken coriander and fenugreek. So you can choose anything of your choice, like parsley, thyme, whatever you like, oregano, whatever you like. You can grow anything. And instead of chili, you can grow okra or you can grow an eggplant. तो आप जो है कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. मैंने पपीता लिया है और इसके साथ में मैंने मिर्ची लिया है. उसके बाद मैंने पोटैटोज़ आलू उगाए हैं. आलू भी डिफरेंट लेयर्स में हैं. और ये फिर उसके ऊपर आलू के ऊपर फिर मिट्टी है. मिट्टी के ऊपर मैंने धनिया मेथी लगाया हुआ है. और इसके साथ में मैंने बरबट्टी लगाए हैं जो पपीते के नज़दीक है. तो वो क्या करेगा, बरबट्टी जो है वो पपीते के चारों तरफ उससे लिपट के वो उसका सहारा लेके वो भी तैयार हो जाएगा. पहले सबसे पहले तो आपके ये फसल में सबसे पहले ये धनिया मेथी पालक जो भी हैं वो सब पहले उग जाएंगे. सो यू सी there are advantages in this is uh, you can grow all these and harvest them at different times. Like the very first ones to come out are the herbs, then second is the chili, then third is going to be your beans, and then potatoes, and then the last ones, by the time the papaya will be very big and it will give fruits by the end of the year. So uh, there is a constant supply of something or the other in your garden. तो आपको कुछ ना कुछ अपने इसी टब में से बहुत कुछ मिलेगा, है कि नहीं? तो इसमें बहुत सारे एडवांटेजेस हैं। और फिर दूसरा ये है कि आप मिट्टी, खाद और ये पानी की बचत होगी। जगह ज़्यादा नहीं है तो एक ही पॉट में आप इतनी सारी चीज़ें उगा सकते हैं। So you see, you are in a restricted space, within a small space. You're growing so many things, like we are saving water, we are saving soil, compost, cocoa peat, whatever we are mixing in that, and the organic foods. Everything is consumed and shared by all these plants. So there is such a good saving on this for a farmer. When he goes to grow it on a commercial scale, he has got a financial benefit throughout the year. So there is a cash crop that keeps coming and fills up his pocket and feeds his family throughout the year. And so that is a really fantastic way of uh, adopting this method, even on a large scale. So coming up is a very exciting recipe. I'm making iced tea, a very delicious, healthy iced tea, coming up from my garden again. I'm using mint, fresh mint, and some oranges and tea. तो मैं आज आपको गर्मी से बचाने के लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छा एक हेल्थी रेसिपी दे रही हूँ, जिससे कि आपको बहुत ही राहत मिलेगी इस गर्मी से। तो वो है आइस टी, और उसका बनाना भी बहुत आसान है। तो देखते हैं। They'll give a nice tangy taste. So I can just go and pick this one. Water and I've got tea. You can use anything you like. Then we have mint, orange juice, orange slices,